My name is Maria, and today we are going to talk about the central nervous system. So here are some basics. The central nervous system, also called the CNS, is composed of the brain and the spinal cord. The brain receives sensory information from the nerves that pass through the spinal cord, as well as other nerves such as those from sensory organs involved in sight or smell. Once received, the brain processes the sensory signals and initiates responses. The spinal cord is the principal route for the passage of sensory information to and from the brain. Information flows to the central nervous system from the peripheral nervous system, which senses signals from the environment outside the body, sensory somatic nervous system, and from the internal environment, autonomic nervous system. The brain's responses to incoming information flow through the spinal cord nerve network to the various effector organs and tissue regions where the target responsive action will take place. The most important component of the central nervous system is, of course, the brain. Now, the brain is divided into three major anatomical regions: the prosencephalon, or forebrain, the mesencephalon, or midbrain, and the rhombencephalon, or hindbrain. The brain also contains a ventricular system, which consists of 4 ventricles, or internal cavities, 2 lateral ventricles, a 3rd ventricle, and a 4th ventricle. The ventricles are filled with cerebrospinal fluid and are continuous with the spinal canal. The ventricles are connected via 2 interventricular foramen, connecting the 2 lateral ventricles to the 3rd ventricle, and a cerebral aqueduct connecting the 3rd ventricle to the 4th ventricle. The brain and spinal cord are covered by 3 layers of meninges: the dura mater, the arachnoid mater, and the pia mater, that dip into the many folds and fissures. The meninges are 3 sheets or layers of connective tissue that cover all of the spinal cord and the brain. Infections of the meninges are called meningitis. Bacterial, viral, and protozoan meningitis are very serious and require prompt medical attention. Between the arachnoid and the pia mater is a fluid called the cerebrospinal fluid. Bacterial infections of the cerebrospinal fluid can occur and are life-threatening.